All right, in the next one, we look at both of our inequalities, and we see neither of them starts out with y. They're both in standard form, so we've got to change it. So let's take this first one, 4x minus 5y greater than or equal to negative 35. Let's move our x, divide by y. So move that 4x. That cancels. Now bring down. This is a negative 5 with our y. Now to get rid of this, we've got to divide by negative 5. And remember, when we divide by a negative, when that bottom number is negative, this symbol in the middle is going to flip. Now bring everything down. Now negative 4 divided by negative 5 is going to be positive 4 over 5. Negative 35 divided by negative 5 is going to be positive 7. There's my first equation. Now I can graph it. So go to positive 7. And the slope, positive 4 over 5. Up, 1, 2, 3. Ran out of room, so got to go backwards. 4 and over 5. Down 4 over 5. This has an or equal to, so this is going to be a solid line. Now, on our second line, once again, that is not in y equals form. It's not in slope-intercept. So, I've got to move my x, divide by y. When I move my x, bring everything down, I get y is greater than negative x minus 2. Well, this time in front of my y, it's already a 1, so I don't need to divide. I can graph it from here. So, go to negative 2. Now our slope here is negative 1. So, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Keep going. And then when you run out of room going to the right, go backwards by going to the left. Now, this is going to be a dashed line because it just had the greater than symbol. So, let's make our dashed line here. Put arrows at the end, put arrows at the end. Boom. Now we just need to plug in test points and see how we're going to shade. So I'm going to go back to my first line. When I plug in 0, 0, 0 for my y, and 0 for my x, is 0 less than or equal to positive 7? Yes, that is true. So, for the blue line, we're going to shade in the side with 0, 0, which is right there. So we're going to shade it in just like this. And remember, it's okay if you run over your other line. That's fine, because we're looking for the solution where they both cross. Now, when I plug in 0, 0 here, which is going to be the ones above the green line, 0 is greater than 0 minus 2. Well, 0 minus 2 is negative 2, and 0 is greater than negative 2. So this one is also true. So we're going to shade in the top part of this line. So let's go this way. And we're only looking for the solution that has both blue and the green, which is going to be right here. Alright, I'll stop the video here. We got 3 more.